Hey, I'm Ramona, and I'm about to show you something shocking, so take a deep breath and watch the following video.
Buddy, nice place, nice car. What happened?
Well, it all started with my free credit score. These money management tools and personalized offers saved me tons of money and helped me reach my goals.
I just signed up with their free app. What's my credit score?
Your credit score is 650.
That's magic!
A good credit score is your passport to competitive interest rates for loan, mortgages, cars, credit card offers, job offers, insurance premiums, and more. A strong score is worth money because it saves you in excess costs. Now you can check your credit score for free by simply click the link below to get your free credit scores.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope the information we presented shows